Hello, class. Welcome in. Find your seats. Put your galoshes over in the corner, and let's get started. So, remember back to yesterday when we talked about the Earth and its relationship to the Sun, and how the Earth revolves around the Sun and also rotates while doing that? Well, today we are talking about the Moon. Now, the Moon has a similar relationship to the Earth, and they both go around the Sun as well. So, I'm going to ask a question now, and I want you to think, pair, and share. Why does the moon look different sometimes? Mason, why do you think?
Uh, cause there's the shadow of the Earth.
Very good, very good. Yes, the Earth is casting a shadow on the moon sometimes. And also, when the moon is facing the sun, that's what's the white side is lit up. So I'm going to read this book here. It's called Moon, Earth's Best Friend by Stacy McAnulty. And just sit back and enjoy the ride. It's also illustrated by Stevie Lewis. Look up, look up, look up. It's me, Moon, the Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning. Almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth. Big ol' mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of Earth, and even lava were blasted into space. This crashed trash came together and made me a satellite. Actually, I'm Earth's only natural satellite. Natural meaning not created by Earthlings, and satellite meaning it circles Earth. She has thousands of human-made satellites too. They're mostly metal and plastic, not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's #1 real sidekick. It takes me 27.3 days to go around Earth once. It also takes me 27.3 days to spin once. Coincidence? I think not. Means I'm dependable. My face always smiles at Earth. You never see my backside. But you probably notice I look different every night. Fun, right? Check out my phases. Got a new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, doesn't make wolves howl, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waxing waning crescent. And then right back to new moon. Some other planets have best friends too. I am Moon, but I'm not the only moon in the solar system. Of all the moons, I'm the 5th biggest. I'm always Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger, 4 times bigger, and her gravity is 6 times stronger. Gravity is the invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying up into the sky. A cow that weighs 600 pounds on Earth would weigh only 100 pounds on me. Speaking of cows, Earth has cows and nursery rhymes starring cows. But a cow has never jumped over me. I'm too far away for even a kangaroo to make that leap. Average distance between Earth and me, 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths in that distance and probably a gazillion cows. BFFs help each other out. I keep Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the most important thing I do, and you probably didn't even know about it. With me, gentle spinning. My gravity at work. Without me, topsy-turvy. Don't worry, moon gazers, you're never without me. I don't disappear during the day. I'm always here for Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright out, or when it's cloudy, or when I'm on the other side of the Earth. I can prove I'm always here. Check out the ocean's tides. High tide happens twice a day. Low tide happens twice a day. That's gravity again. My gravity, pulling on Earth's oceans. I have the best views of Earth, and Earth has the best views of me. But some Earthlings wanted to see me up close. I've had 12 moonwalkers, and a few left footprints. I'm the only other place in the universe where man has set foot, and I do mean man. I'm still waiting for my first female astronaut. And some of those footprints are still here. No wind or rain or snow to mess them up. Other things you won't find on me. Oxygen, mosquitoes, which is a good thing, I think. Plants, liquid water, animals, cows. Things you will find on me. Rocks, really big rocks and more rocks. And then some presents from Earth, stuff left behind by untidy astronauts, like nail clippers, a golf ball, a falcon feather, a hammer, and the American flag. Earth and I have so much fun together, like when we play Eclipse. Solar eclipse, I hide sun for a few minutes. We play this during the day. Lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow passes over me. We play this at night. I'm always here for Earth, and I'm always here for you. Where Earth goes, I go. And where Earth goes, you go. Guess that makes us best friends too. All right, so that was Moon, Earth's best friend. Very nice. Thanks for listening, everybody. So today's learning target, you're going to be able to say, I can explain how the moon relates to Earth. I can identify and describe different phases of the moon. So what I have here today, it's a simple bobber that you might have when you go fishing with your pa. It's white on one side, dark on the other. And as in the book, remember Mason, the book said that the light side's always facing the moon, right? So as you can see this, when I rotate around the room, it looks like it's changing shape, but it's not really, is it? No, it doesn't. So do you remember how long it takes to cycle through these phases? Lisa?
No.
Okay. It was 27.3 days, which is about a month. And that's also why some months are longer than others. All right, well, let's go to the other room. And we've got a wonderful setup for you. It's going to be great in here. We're going to make some Oreos today, reflecting the phases of the moon. So Gilbert and Stella, I got a note from your mother, and she doesn't want you having chocolate. So we'll go straight to using markers on the papers for you two. All right, so let's get some Oreos out here. All right, so with these, let's hand these out. I'm sure everyone washed their hands today. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the Oreo, and you have your totally plastic, not metal knives. Little sticks there. All right, so we're going to carefully take these. Lisa, you can grab yours, and Mason, you as well. And we're going to twist the top off. Oh, boy. Well, Mason, you might need some help, so I can help you out here. I've got this one for you. So where do you think this will go, judging on the book you just read, saw, listened to? Because this would represent a full moon, right? Being all white, like in the sky. And this would represent a new moon because it's so dark, right? Okay. Well, he had some struggles with his Oreo, so I'm happy to help you out. Here you go. So why don't you take that? And how do you think a half moon would look? Maybe Lisa can help.
Like...
Very good. Yes. So you carve off half of it. Very good. Yep, you can eat a little bit of it, but you might want to save some for later. Oh, and you can save that. Yep, you can use the frosting from that other half to make the other half moon. Very good. Mason's having some struggles, and that's okay. That's okay. I'm here to help. Here, let me peel another one for you there, bud. So, do you remember what a gibbous is?
Mason?
Yeah,
it's a gibbous.
Mason, help Lisa out. Do you remember what a gibbous is? How about a crescent? You know that better? Maybe a crescent?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's carve a little bit off of that. Oh, yeah, there you go. All right, let's curve it up a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, nice crescent, Lisa. Very nice. And Mason's got a wonderful gibbous going on right now. Very good. And you can see the transition from full moon, and then the gibbous you don't have yet, but the half moon, and see how it's getting a little bit darker? Completely dark. And then what would go here, Lisa? So once we finish these, we're going to upload these to Seesaw. Gilbert and Stella are already working hard on using their markers to color theirs in. You're doing a great job, Lisa. Wonderful. Your mother will be very proud. And Mason, your mother, too, will be very proud of you.
Oh, wait. Get this.
And just make sure to copy these over to paper so you can take them home and show your parents what you did today.
I need a new cookie. Thanks.
All right, everybody. Well, keep up the good work, and I'll be around to talk to you soon.